Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting. It has been 6 weeks in the making because I have been waiting for this product for 6 weeks because I ordered it with the pre-order the same day that it launched. But it is the Blood Sugar palette by Jeffree Cosmetics. I don't have words for this palette. I think that it's absolutely beautiful. The packaging is quite different than most products and palettes these days. You don't see it fastened shut the way that it does, and I think it's very unique, and you can definitely tell that there was a lot of love and hard work put into this product. So that is what today's video is going to be all about, kind of a review slash tutorial to see if it is worth the hype, if it's worth the 6-week wait, and if it's worth your dollar bills. If you have not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave, and let's go ahead and get right into the video. You guys like my little bun? So cute. I wanted my hair out of the way. So getting right into this video, this is what the packaging looks like. It has Blood Sugar on the back of this. It's kind of like a cassette tape because you can take this out just like this. But this is what the actual packaging looks like. I love it. It's faux leather for one. I'm a weirdo, but when things are brand new, it smells so good. But it fastens shut with these buckles. My brain right now is not working, but fastens shut, and then you open it up, which takes a bit of oomph. This is what she looks like. She's so pretty. I am obsessed with the shade called Candy, the bright pinky purple, as well as Root Canal, this color, and I do like this one, Prick. You can see with Prick as well as Coma that the pressings are different. It's not the star, it's kind of a medical type of design. I really like this. You can definitely get a full look with this palette. And of course, you guys saw it comes with a mirror. This is definitely perfect for traveling because you have, if you are wanting a neutral look, you have your neutral shades. And then if you're going for a warm tone, real bold look, you got your colors, honey. I don't know what kind of look I want to do today. I'm kind of feeling the brighter purples, maybe even this gray color, which is called O Positive, but I'm kind of digging this vibe right here, maybe even with a little white. I also have this Cover FX Shimmer Veil. It's kind of like a liquid eyeshadow, and this color is stunning. Look at that. So let's get into this tutorial. To start our look off, I'm going to go in with my Luxie 239 Precision Shader Brush. I'm going to go in with the shade Glucose, which is this white. And I'm just going to pack this on our lid and neutralize our lid so there's an even base. Next shade I'm going to use is Sugarcane. It's this light tan color. Going to be using the number 8 BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm just going to put this in our transition area. To build up our crease just a bit, we are going to go in with the shade Cake Mix, which is this light brown, light tan color, and I'm going to use my T35 Precise Blending Brush, and we're just going to keep that in the crease more so, just to give it the definition. I don't know what color I want to do next. I'm going to go in with Ouch. It's that pukey orange color. And I'm going to use my T35 Precise Blending Brush and just to deepen up that crease a bit more. To blend all of the colors together, I'm going to use my Morphe M505 blending brush. It has nothing on it, and I just want to blend everything together. The next shade I'm going to use is Intravenous. This is dark maroon brown color. And I just want to deepen up the outer corner a bit before we cut the crease. And I kind of just want to stamp that in the outer corner. Again, I'm going to go in with my T35 brush, whatever is left on here. I'm just going to blend that intravenous color out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to put it on the back of my hand and I'm going to cut the crease. I'm getting pretty darn good at those. Practice makes perfect. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set it with glucose, that white that we first used. And you set it because you don't want all that work you just did to be ruined because the concealer's moving around. I'm going to do the other eye off of camera and I will be back in a second. I'm back! I'm going to do something crazy, guys. Crazy. Okay? We have this nice warm tone look going on.
We're gonna throw some damn color up in this.
What I'm going to do is first, we're going to go in with the root canal, which is this bright purple right here. And we're going to put this in the outer portion of our cut crease and see how she works and looks and goes. I don't know. That's one thing I told myself this year, and especially with my Disney Princess theme series, is that I need to play with color. Need to be adventurous, need to get out of my comfort zone and just do it. Like, that's how you get better, you have more experience, and your looks turn out to be like this amazing work of art. So don't be scared, honey. For the color root canal, I'm going to use this flat shader brush. Looks green, but I've wiped all the color off. It's dirty. I just need to wash my brushes. Do not judge me, okay? We're going to shake off the excess of that color. She's pigmented. Do you guys see that line? Oh, we're gonna have to fix that later because that is making me mad. I'm gonna take this brush again and go back in with Intravenous. It was the color that we put in our outer corner just to blend the colors. I'm gonna take my Precision blending brush and really blend over this line. It's looking a little better, but I think it's the line from my concealer. I don't know if I set it enough or I don't know what the issue is. That looks patchy. So the next shade I'm going to go into is Cavity. It is this bright pink. And I'm going to continue this ombre effect. And I'm going to use my flat shader brush again. This is the same brush we were just using. And I'm just blending it into that purple that we were just using. And now I'm going to go back in with Glucose, which is that white shade. I'm just gonna blend upwards. It looks better. This eye looks better than this one. This one just looks patchy. I did everything like I normally would. I don't get it. I think to brighten up our eyes, I'm gonna use my Cover FX. I'm going to put this in the inner corner just to give our look a pop. Gonna use root canal. Gonna put this on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to blend it with a big buffer brush. And then I'm gonna go in with Intravenous, the same color that we used for our outer corner. And again, I'm going to use the same buffer brush. I'm going to put on some of my Kiss Ritzy false lashes. These are my go-to lashes that I wear just about every darn day. And then I'm going to throw on my Total Temptation mascara. And I will be back in a minute. So I have my lashes on and my mascara on. I want to brighten up my eyes just a bit because we have so much color going on. So I'm going to use my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk. Now for lipstick, I have no idea what I want to use. I have these three shades here. This one could be pretty. This is Nathan. Or, you know what? I'm going to go with Butt Naked. Butt Naked sounds fine and dandy. Alrighty, this is the final completed look. This turned out much, much prettier than I thought it was going to. Now, is this palette worth your money? I definitely think so. I think what kind of ruined my eyeshadow just a bit was the concealer. I may not have set it properly. There might have been a little bit of leftover product on a brush. Maybe I used the wrong brush. I don't know. I really like this look. Definitely rich in pinks and purples and the dark maroons. I love it. I definitely am happy that I have this palette in my collection. It was worth the 6-week wait. This is beautiful. You can do so many looks with this, and the colors are pigmented. Some not as much, and you can just layer it until you get the pigment that you're looking for. I really like this palette, and it's definitely a keeper. And if you'd like to see more tutorials using this palette, then leave me a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up to let me know that you are interested in that. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, before you leave, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. And I hope to catch you guys in my next video. Bye!